let's talk about anxiety. Okay, if a person who have carry anxiety over a long period of time, okay, it's a kind of term and conditions. Okay, so what will we do in that case? Firstly, what is anxiety? So, a state of mind. Now, second point, when it's lead a long period of time under any condition of what? Condition of stress, any agony that will be create over a long period of time. Okay, so that agony will be hampered to their mind, their internal and their external, all over the area will be affected through these agony. Now, if it would be caused over a long period of time, that will lead what? That will lead mental illness. Okay, so if we talk about mental illness, so that was the trigger a person actions they're performing all over their task in their daily life activities. Okay, everywhere that will be hamper their illness. Now, what will be the effect of the mental illness? So all the domain, so under the domain are mental, physical, emotional and psychological domain. Okay, what will we do in that case? How to prevent them to these person? So firstly we will develop some respect and regard. And firstly what will we do? We will observe them. Okay, now we will develop some respect and regard, and try to develop a kind of comfort zone when the client able to express themselves. Okay, and thirdly what will we do? We will be more humble toward them when he starts sharing their problem with us. So we will more kind toward them. Okay, it's a problem. Okay, so this is kind of therapy we will provide to the client. Okay, so these all are the area, these all are the terms and conditions we will follow. uh, any person who has carry out an access or any kind of mental illness that is carry out over a long period of time. Okay,